Hello and welcome back, and a very happy Mother's Day to you all. Here's what I did for my Mother's Day celebration. Here's a gift, a cute little gift I made for my mother, and that too in a very simple and cute way. For this Mother's Day, I thought of not doing anything fancy and extraordinary. I decided to be the child I used to be, and here I took out my coloring book, which I had, and this page, which is about home. So I decided to color this using watercolor brush pens. These are my son's watercolor brush pens, by the way. And recently my parents have shifted to a new house, and I thought this drawing or illustration will be great for their new house. So here I go. Enjoy the process of painting with me, and trust me, if you're thinking this is going to look very childish, it's not. I hope you've seen it in the main display picture of this video. So it looks really great. Keep watching till the end, and there's another surprise in the end, so keep watching till then. As you see, it's very basic, so I'm not going to talk about any techniques over here. Uh, but yeah, one thing I must mention, that I'm going one color at a time, same the way I approach my paintings, my watercolor or acrylic paintings. So here also I'm going one color at a time. That lets me think better in terms of colors. So I am bad at understanding colors. This might be shocking for most of you, but I find it difficult to decide the colors, what colors should be there and all of that. And I'm taking classes for that too. I'm taking classes on Skillshare. Skillshare is a very beautiful platform, and it's very budget friendly as well. So any of you, if you guys have not been on Skillshare before, you can just use the link in the description and get a 14 days to 1 month free premium subscription of Skillshare, and give it a try and see whether it's worth it for you or not, and then you can totally decide to continue or discontinue it. So anyways, this video is not about tutorial. This video is not about Skillshare. This video is about my Mother's Day gift, which I actually made for my mother, and this is why I am uploading this video very late, because the gift wasn't ready. After painting this, I had to get it framed also, and many things went wrong with that. So finally last night I was able to get it framed, and then I shot the final clip of this video, which you will see in the end. Because of that small silly clip, the final look of the paintings after getting it framed, because of that one shot, I just could not upload this video, because YouTube doesn't have that feature where we can update the video, where we can edit the video, add bits in it. So I hope that feature will come in future. If YouTube is hearing, hello, please make that possible for us. If that was there, I would have uploaded the video and later added that bit in the end, but it's not there right now. So that's the reason why I'm so late in uploading a Mother's Day video. I'm uploading it right on Mother's Day, and I have no idea whether you guys are watching or not, because of course everybody must be enjoying their Sunday and celebrating Mother's Day. Why would they watch a video on a Mother's Day? So if you're from the future, if you're watching it after Mother's Day, you can use this cute and simple trick for your next year's Mother's Day. Alright. So this is the reason why I don't upload many videos on weekend. I refrain from uploading videos on weekend because nobody watches. And I don't blame anyone, because obviously people must be celebrating their weekend and not sitting in front of a phone or a laptop watching my videos or anybody's videos. So anyways, it is what it is. This video was destined to be uploaded today, right on Mother's Day and on a Sunday. So here it is. I had kept it shot and edited way before, but I just couldn't upload it. And as you see now, I think you are able to make sense of this picture. Now I think it looks cute. These colors, I want to talk about these colors a little bit. They are very nice, highly pigmented. The only drawback I feel, in my personal opinion, they are too bright and shocking. Like, there is not a single pastel color in this whole set, and it's a big set. It's not the smaller one. These colors come in two types of packaging. One is big and one is small. So this one is big one, and there is no pastel color in this set also, which I think is a drawback, because I don't like this kind of like too bright colors. They look cartoonish or childish to me. But since this project was childish, so I chose these brush pens. The quality of the brush is nice. The ink is flowing nicely on paper, and this is the coloring book paper only. It's not a watercolor paper or something. I think the output will be better on watercolor paper. So if you like these brush markers videos, then I'll be uploading another one where I'll use these markers on a watercolor paper. So let me know in the comments if you want to watch other brush marker videos, or you want to watch the regular landscape painting or other traditional painting videos. Let me know in the comments what you like. I would love to create on demand. This set has 4 neon colors, which is really cool. So it has neon green, pink, orange, and I think 3 colors. Okay, green, pink and orange. These 3 neon colors are also there. and I feel the yellow is too bright, so that can also come in that category. But yeah, here as you see, I am painting the windows, but I'm not painting all of them black. I'm keeping some white as it is, just to give it a little bit of realistic feel. And then I decided to color it with neon orange because it was looking too stark, the white windows. That's a part of every painting, or I think everything you do. You decide something, then you see whether it's working or not, and then you change your plan. And I think there's nothing bad in it, there's no wrong in it. So that's the way we do things. With trial and error, we become better. There's no blue book about anything that this thing has to be done like this only and no other way. No, I don't think so. Life is flexible. Life allows us to experiment and try things and see. There, I fell in love with this neon palette, and yellow is my favorite color. Yeah, lately, if you've noticed and if you remember from all of my videos, I have mentioned this, that blue is my favorite color. All the shades of blue are my favorite, but of lately I have developed this liking towards a bright yellow. So these days, bright yellow is my favorite color, and I want to use it in every painting or everything I do. If I have to buy something, a dress or anything, I look for yellow. And this is not something I've developed newly, recently. It was there, I just didn't notice it before. Recently I've noticed that I use a lot of yellow in everything, like in my paintings, in the home decor, mainly home decor, and my clothes. I found that there are so many yellows, and then I sat and thought about it, and I reached to the conclusion that yeah, yellow is my favorite color, at least one of my favorite colors. So I have started this thing, consciously putting yellow in most of my paintings, because I also realized that I used to think blue is my favorite color, and I do like blue. It's a very pretty color. So I used to use a lot of blues and grays in my paintings, and I've never really used yellow properly. But whenever I have, I really like those pieces of mine. So yeah, now that's how I am trying to figure out my style, my personal touch in painting. That's a great struggle. Like, even if you know to paint, if you master the medium, the craft, even then a struggle to come up with your own signature style, which is so outstanding that anybody that sees your painting would know it's yours. That is the biggest thing to crack, I think so, in my opinion. And I have still not got it. I have still not reached there. I'm still going there. So with this, we are done with the painting. So I ripped the page off, and later on I went ahead and used my jelly roll to add some texture and details on this painting. And I also went ahead and paint another one, this one. And this is really special because me and my son painted this together. If you want to watch the video of coloring book more often, let me know in the comments. And here's the final look. This is the frame I chose for this painting and the other painting. Both the paintings are for my mother. I'm going to gift it to her today itself. There, that's the final look. I hope you liked the final output. I hoped you liked this video, and I hoped you were not bored of my chit chatting, because there was no tutorial. It was just like a vlog, like I was chatting to my friends. You. I hope this you like this video. Thank you so much for staying. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.